I'm going to marinate these chicken cutlets in fresh lime, shallots, garlic, cilantro, and salt and pepper. And I'm going to leave them in the marinade overnight. And then tomorrow I will either grill or saute them. I'm going to place all of this in the Cuisinart with the oil and salt and pepper and run it until it's very smooth. I'll run the vegetables first, and then I'll add the cilantro. Give this a chance to really just a drop more oil. That's about another third of a cup. So I'll run that until it's smooth, pour it into a little dish, cover it up, wrap it up, and look at it tomorrow. I'm also going to add some of my lovely sriracha hot chili sauce. That way you see how much is going on there. And this is nice and smooth. I'll leave it like that for a few hours in the refrigerator. Then I'll flip them over, wrap them up with some saran wrap, and come back in the morning and either grill them or saute them, or a combination of both. So anyway, the marinade I left in the refrigerator for a day and a half. And we're going to just cook this right now. Nice high flame to start it off. And we do nothing except just take the chicken with whatever marinade is on there, that it should just stay there. Try using a non-stick skillet. I'm using this Calphalon. And the marinade is also going to be the sauce. And we'll put just a little bit more on there. Since it's going to be the sauce, put even more. Well, we're putting it all on there. We don't expect to get real color out of this. But we're going to quicken the cooking by covering it. Keeping the heat in. And I'm going to time this from this point. I'm going to put it on the timer for 3 minutes, and I'll be back in 3 minutes to see what's going on. While this is cooking, it's not 3 minutes yet, but you just take a look at it and nice aroma. The cilantro and everything else that's in there is good, and nothing is burning. Okay, that's the end of the 3 minutes. Using that high temp. Now we'll turn it over. We did get some color, not much. And now to finish it off, we are going to lower the flame and let the chicken finish cooking. So that was 3 minutes. Nice and low like that. Now we'll set it for like 8 minutes, and that should do it. And while we still have a couple of minutes left, you check the chicken. If you press down on the chicken like this, and the chicken is very, very firm, hard, you know it's done, and you don't want to wait for the chicken to start cracking, then you know you overcooked it. I mean separating. You don't want that. And we're going to have enough here to put the somewhat of a sauce, all the ground up goodies that are in there. So in another minute and 45, we're done. So now you got the timing down. 8 minutes and 3 minutes, so it's 11 minutes with the cover. We are done. Firm, done, and just to prove it, I'm going to take one of them, cut it in the middle, and show you. Should have had this ready over there, but I didn't. So we'll take one chicken, place it on the plate. Also put the sauce over it so it looks good. And you can also add some chopped parsley on top, even though there's cilantro in there if you want, and maybe some scallions, and that'll take care of the presentation. And have with that whatever you like. And if you notice, the color of the chicken is white. It means it's cooked and juicy and not dried out, and that's what you want. Cook it like that, you'll be happy. Enjoy.